We're talking with Ken Martin, chairman of the DFL party. We have already two top-of-the-ticket races that have been called. Give me a reaction.
Well, look, we're obviously encouraged. We're not ready to call them ourselves yet. The results are just starting to trickle in, and of course those networks have some exit polling that we don't necessarily have our hands on at this point. But all signs would suggest at this point that Governor Dayton and Senator Franken are going to win tonight, which we're very encouraged by. And the real question mark right now is what are the margins going to be, and if they're big enough, does it help us keep the House and win some close races around the state?
Yeah, I was just going to ask about that because those are obviously indicates that if they call them that quickly, it usually means a pretty good margin. So, I mean, what areas are you going to be looking at for numbers to see how you're going to be doing in the House?
Well, obviously the results are just starting to trickle in, so it's going to take us a while to really feel confident about our ability to call the races ourselves. But look, we've got two guys on the top of the ticket who won by recount, as you well know, so we're not going to take anything for granted. We're not going to call these races too soon, but I'll tell you, we're really encouraged by what we're seeing already.
Okay, and any other feeling about how things might be going in terms of the 8th Congressional District? I mean, that's been a really hard fought race. People are really paying close attention to see what happens there. What have you been hearing out of the 8th?
Well, we've seen a good turnout up there in the 8th Congressional District today, especially on the range in Duluth, which are areas we need to run up the score if we're going to re-elect Congressman Rick Nolan. So they're just starting to come in. We don't know. We've always thought it was going to be a tight race. That district is changing. I feel pretty good about Congressman Nolan's chances of winning. He's run a great campaign, and we've had a great GOTV operation up there. And I think if boots on the ground still matter, that's one district where it really matters. And I think we've had a better operation than Stuart Mills.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your time. I know you got to make the rounds here with the good news.
I'll be back. Hopefully, I'll be back later in the evening with much better news. But so far, it's looking great, Mike.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, Ken. Thank you.
Great work.
Thank you for your time. That's Ken Martin, who is the chair of the DFL party.